In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable comments in TikTok. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your TikTok and then open up your profile. Here, tap on that three lines icon at the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. There, tap on Privacy right here. Then scroll down a little and here you will find comments. Select that. And now you see who can comment on your videos. You can set this option to everyone, friends or no one. If it's no one will be able to leave comments under your video. And to enable comments, you need to select everyone. And also you can use the comment filter section to adjust. For example, I need to filter comments with some specific keywords. So I toggle on that option and here I can add some keywords. Then tap Done and all the comments existing these keywords will be hidden. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.